Hey everyone, today we are here at one of the best hotels nearby Disney World, and that is the Grove Resort and Water Park. From the amazing rooms to the water park, let's go ahead and have a great day adventure.
Ever since 2017, the Grove Resort and Water Park was a hotel located a few miles from Walt Disney World, first opening back in 2017, with expansions made to the area in 2018 and 2019, with the additions of Safari Water Park, an arcade, and 2 more towers being completed. And even now, there's also the Terrace opening this June, where it's the 4th and final expansion made to the Grove. Now for a night, the Grove usually ranges from $200 to $325. With our room for a night, it would be 2-bedroom suite with a view of the water park, but more on that later.
At the front of the Grove, there is a gigantic fountain. On the left, there is the Uber and Lyft designated area where you can get picked up or drop off here. And on the right side, there is the theme park bus stop. You'll kind of want to arrive early for this one. You'll need to make reservations in advance. But at 7 a.m., that's when the bus departs for SeaWorld and Universal. At 9:30, that's when the bus departs for Magic Kingdom. And at 11, that's when the bus departs to Epcot and Hollywood Studios. As for returns from Magic Kingdom, it's at 7:30 p.m. From Hollywood Studios, it's at 7:45 p.m. And from Epcot, it is 10:15 p.m. With Universal, it's 6 o'clock. And for SeaWorld, it is at 6:15 p.m.
As soon as we enter the Grove, there is the lobby with a guest reception area, a self-check-in, and a ticket center where you can buy tickets for Disney, Universal, SeaWorld, and other travel destinations. Once outside, there's a fountain area and seating around, as well as a walking trail and pathway to the pools and water park.
You also have a very own business center where you can access a computer or use a printer.
Nearby the lobby, there is Alfresco Market. The shop has merchandise, snacks, drinks, coffee, groceries, desserts, sandwiches, and pizza. And since this is a Disney World Good Neighbor Hotel, there's even a Star Wars photo op with R2-D2 in promotion of Galaxy's Edge. Heading down further, there is Element Lounge, a bar where you can sit back, relax, and get some drinks. And there's also the Grove's main restaurant, Valencia restaurant, but more on that later. Nearby, there's also a 24/7 fitness center where you can work out. And last but not least, there is also the escape spot and a kids activity center, with both of them at an additional cost. Back outside, there is the Springs Bar and Grill near Valencia Restaurant, a small bar area where you can get some appetizers, entrees, cocktails, and other drinks coming from the restaurant. Nearby is the Springs Pool, which is open from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. This is a small, quiet area with 3 pools, a children's splash area, a hot tub, and cabanas, along with tons of seating. Close by is Lake Austin Pier, which is open from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. as you can go fishing, you can go on a swan boat, or take a boat tour around the lake.
Now in terms of all the prices, for a fishing pole with bait is going to be $20. If you want to spend 30 minutes on a swan boat or a kayak, it is going to be $20 as well per boat. And if you want to go on a pontoon boat, then it will be $40 since it's also a tour as well. Now, I was thinking we should do the swan boats because I haven't done one ever. So let's go ahead and board a swan boat.
Now, before visiting Safari Water Park, I decided to check out Flip Flop's Family Center nearby, an arcade with tons of video games and a glow-in-the-dark mini golf that you can play for $8 per person. For a total of 110 credits, it's going to be $25. However, if you want to get 600 total credits, it's going to be $120, where you could also get a prize if you get enough points. And I actually did some of the games like Space Invaders, but after visiting the arcade, it was time to check out Safari Water Park.
This is a water park with a dual slide, a 695-foot lazy river. There's also a gigantic pool, a flow rider surf simulator, and a kids splash pad.
When it comes to the water park, there's additional seating all around, but for the premium poolside seats, they go for $30, where you get 2 lounge chairs, an umbrella, a lockable safe, and poolside service. Also available are the cabanas for $100, where it includes a couch, 2 lounge chairs, dining set, a TV, cooler, and 4 bottles of water.
As soon as we enter this park, there is a lazy river that you can go through, and it's 693 feet long, and there's 2 water slides. With the 2 water slides, one is enclosed, one is open, and they are guaranteed to get you wet. Got off the lazy river. It was very cool, very relaxing. It is long. There is a lot of places where you will get soaked. Now I was thinking we could do the lazy river first and then head up on the 2 slides. So let's go ahead and head into the lazy river. Now before we go down the slide, we must shower before using the water slide. And it's also important to know the minimum height requirement is 48 inches. And maximum weight is 300 pounds. And there's also a slide schedule right here. So at 10 a.m. the water slide's open, 11 a.m. green slide's open, and every hour the other slide opens. So it's yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow, green. Simple. Very fast. Woo! Oh, here goes drop. That was so much fun. Oh my goodness. I much prefer the green side for the enjoyability of it. But both sides are pretty fun and enjoyable. And I think right now we're gonna go ahead and head to our next destination. And in the center of Safari Water Park, there is the Grove Pool. Nearby the lazy river, there is a children's splash zone for children under 48 inches, and they must be accompanied by a parent. There's multiple kids activities, there is 3 slides as well, and a gigantic bucket that drops water every 40 to 50 seconds. There's also the Flow Rider Surf Simulator, where pre-reserved reservations must check in at the welcome hut 30 minutes before reservation time. Same day reservations can also be made there, and photo ID will be required to complete a release of a liability form. There's actually 2 options when doing this. There's a shared 30-minute lesson for $35 per person, as shared lessons cannot have up to 5 people in rotation. And there's another option with a private 30-minute lesson for $175. And right here we have Longboard Bar and Grill. There's cocktails, smoothies, beer, wine, especially buckets. And there's even food like guacamole and chips, wings, salad, nachos, a burger, Caesar wrap, tacos, smoked pork sandwich. There's also a chicken tender platter. There's also some kid meals. There's also fries, a fruit cup, pulled pork, side salad, bacon, and even some ice cream sandwiches, mini melts, popsicles, and soft drinks, along with some Gatorade and liquid death water.
At Longboard, I decided to get chicken tenders and fries, as the food was pretty good overall.
And I just got out of the water park. In total, it was so much fun. I had an amazing time going down slides, lazy river, and I think up next, we're gonna go ahead and head over to our room since it's now ready. So let's go ahead and head up to our room. And we are now inside the room. As soon as we enter, there is a closet where you can hang stuff up. Inside here, there is a kitchen. We have a sink, an oven, microwave, fridge, and we even have our very own laundry room with a washer and dryer. We also have a living room with some tables, a couch, a TV, and a kitchen table. And we have the main bedroom with a bed. We also have a clock. We have lamps, a view of Safari Water Park. And then we even have a tiny couch, a small TV, along with a dresser. And inside the bathroom, we even have this huge bathroom with a shower, a bath, a sink. There's also a toilet. And there's even a closet back here where you can hang stuff up. And in the second room, we have a bed, some tables, a TV right here with a dresser. And then there's also a view where we can enter onto the balcony out here. Closet space with a mirror. The bathroom over there. And inside the bathroom, this one's a bit smaller, but is still enormous because there is a mirror, we have a sink, we even have some towels, we have a toilet, and we even have a shower and bath. And we have our very own balcony. This is enclosed. We have 2 chairs, a table, and an incredible view of Safari Water Park. So far, everything has been amazing, and honestly, the room for the price is incredible. But I did want to mention one thing, and that is the towels. If you have 2 bedrooms, then you'll be getting 6 towels, but if you have 3 bedrooms, you'll be getting 8 for the pools and Safari Water Park. And you will have to keep these or else you will get a fee. But I think right now we're going to go ahead and get ready for dinner tonight. It is at Valencia restaurant and I can't wait. So let's go ahead and then head downstairs to get some food at Valencia restaurant.
Over at Valencia restaurant, this is a restaurant that serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. For breakfast, they serve eggs, waffles, pancakes, cereal, bacon, and sausage. Then for lunch and dinner, they serve mai tacos, cheese raviolis, wings, salad, burgers, sandwiches, ribs, linguine, and mai. For my meal, I got a Valencia burger with fries for $19. It had caramelized onions, roasted garlic aioli, lettuce, tomato, onion, and American cheese. The burger was really good along with the fries, but for $19, a bit pricey. And we just got back from dinner. It was pretty good overall, but I think we'll go ahead and call it a night here at the Grove. So I'll see you all in the morning. Good morning, everyone. Today is the next day, and behind me is sort of gloomy, but it is a nice day. However, we do have a few things left to do here. We actually have to check out by 11 since we actually got a late checkout. Normally it's at 10, however, we secured an 11 a.m. checkout. With the Grove, this is a hotel that I actually stayed at multiple times in the past, but the question is the Grove a good hotel? Let's first start off with the positives, as the main positive about this resort is the amenities. There is a lot to do with Safari Water Park, the arcade, the bars, restaurants, and even the pools. In terms of the room itself, the room feels premium, was clean, luxurious, and spacious. With service, the staff were friendly, although quite possibly the biggest issue with the Grove would be its location and transportation. The transportation with the buses are not great, so if you can drive, then this hotel would be great. Last but not least is the value. As for the price of the hotel plus the $35 resort fee, this is a great alternative to Disney and Universal resorts with the many amenities on site and the spacious and premium hotel room. Overall, the Grove Resort and Water Park is one of the best hotels in Orlando.
And that's going to be it for today. If you want to help support the channel, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and follow my social media accounts. And let me know, have you ever stayed at the Grove? I'd love to know. As always, until next time, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.